Hi everyone! Want to remove your video background without a green screen? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to do it in InShot. Fast and easy, so let's jump in. First, open your InShot and tap the new project and import your video. Then tap the PIP or picture-in-picture option and import the same clip again, and this will become your subject layer. Then select the top PIP layer and scroll down through the tools and tap the chroma key. Then here's the trick. Instead of the green screen, you can tap anywhere on a solid contrast background color in your video. You can adjust the intensity and shadow sliders until the background disappears. And this works best if your background is clean and has a solid tone. Now replace the background by adding an image, video, or solid color underneath the top layer. You can also add a blur video or animated background to make your subject pop even more. And that's it. That's how you remove your background in InShot. No green screen needed. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more smart editing tricks. Thanks for watching.